My name is Ralph Taylor, and I'm currently enrolled in the cardiac rehab service at Onslow Memorial Hospital. On October 19th, I underwent open heart surgery, which consisted of a triple bypass that actually turned into a quadruple bypass once they got in. And my understanding with the surgeon, of course, I'm here, and the surgery went well. They were able to do the bypass without any issue. He said it was textbook. And while I was in the hospital recovering, I was said that they're suggesting that I go through cardiac rehab. Of course, too, when they used the term rehab, my thought was in a nursing home someplace, in a back room, and I just wasn't really feeling it. Then they said, well, no, there's a cardiac rehab at Onslow Memorial Hospital in Jacksonville. They began to explain to me what the process was going to be. I realized I wasn't going to a nursing home, and so I was on board with it. And so, because that's how I got started with the rehab. It was more than what I expected. Like I said, I really didn't know what to expect. I was really apprehensive. First time going through this, hopefully it's my last time going through open heart surgery. I was just really apprehensive, didn't know what to expect. I received a call from the rehab staff, and they began to explain to me, what the process was going to be, and that they would check my blood pressure. They would have me on a heart monitor to make sure that I wasn't overexerting myself. They let me start at my own pace, because when I was really apprehensive. Like I said, when I first come to the rehab center, I could barely walk. I could walk a little bit in the house. I needed a walker. I couldn't breathe as well. And they assured me and made me feel comfortable that I could start at my own pace. They wouldn't rush me. They wouldn't push me. They would monitor and make sure that I was comfortable in what I was doing. And also ask me for goals and what I want to accomplish. Well, I'm at midpoint now, and I'm able to walk a mile. My breathing has gotten better. My lungs are fully inflated, and I just feel a lot better. I can bend and lift and do things that I couldn't do after coming out of the hospital. As a patient at Onslow Memorial Hospital, I've had several experiences as a patient. 2023, I was hospitalized twice in 2023, trying to determine what was actually going wrong with me. And the service, the care, the treatment was just stellar. I can't explain it any greater than that. They made me feel comfortable. They made a diagnosis. They treated me. They kept me alive. So I was happy about that. And then having the opportunity to come to the rehab, going there with rehab and speaking with other participants there, you find that you have a lot of folks in the same situation as you, having some type of open heart surgery. And you basically become a family. It's like you become friends, a family. And I'm seeing that there's people from all over, Morehead City, Wilmington, New Bern, that actually come to Onslow. And so that's what I would say, if you, and I hope no one ever has to go through this, but of course life happens and you have to have heart surgery. And if you need a place to go for cardiac rehab, Onslow Memorial is the best. I am Ralph Taylor, board member and patient of Onslow Memorial Hospital.